If you want to get into flying on the cheap, well, here's one way to do it. This is the Aerolite 103. This is a kit ultralight. Been around for a while. There are about 1,000 of them flying out there. The construction is very basic. It's just aluminum tube and fasteners. What's interesting about this one is it's electric powered. This is a new version of the kit. There's some details on it.
And so we've been working on this electric propulsion system for about a little over a year. This is the second airframe we have put a electric propulsion system on. This is actually the third incarnation of the motor. We've made some changes from the start to now, and we've got it to the point, Paul, where we can run the system with 2, 3, or 4 batteries in it, and the duration with those batteries, if you have 4 batteries in there, you do a normal climb up to an altitude and you throttle back to a economical cruise speed, you'll get about an hour's worth of flying. The flip side of that coin is if you're in the pattern and you're doing takeoffs, full power climbs up to altitude and touch and goes, you'll cut that down in half because the consumption during the climb is disproportionately high. The systems are wired for 4 batteries. If you put 2 in there to begin with, you decide you want to add a 3rd or a 4th later on, you literally put the next battery in, plug 1 more port into it, and it's ready to go for a longer duration. Batteries weigh about 35 pounds a piece. The motor's extremely light. That motor on the mount's only about 30 pounds. Controlling in the cables doesn't add much either. So even when I have 4 batteries in the airplane, I'm 220 pounds, I'm still under the gross weight of what the airplane is. We've been building this airplane for many, many years. There's about 1,000 of them out there flying. All of those up to this point have gasoline engines. We've got 5 gasoline powered motor options as well. So the bottom end of the spectrum with the least expensive gasoline powered single cylinder engine, that engine package is a little over $4,000. The most expensive 4 battery system on the electric is about $14,000. So you're about a $10,000 spread from the highest electric to the lowest gasoline power. So if you want any more information on the Aerolite in general or the electric propulsion system, our website is www.fly103.com.